Hey guys, this is Super Sorcery Games here, and today we are playing Monkey Quest, as you see. So this is a 1 out of 2 part episode. I'm just waiting for it to load. And first part, which is this episode, is creating the character. So it's gonna be probably a long time since I sometimes really picky. So, sorry for that noise if you heard it. Okay, this might take a while. So, I'm gonna pause it real quickly. Sorry. Okay, we are back. It's almost done. So you can see. Okay, so we have to customize a boy or a girl. But I'm a boy, as you can tell. Okay, so yeah, that's okay. That's not me. Okay. Okay, so okay. Okay. Brown. What? Okay, I like that because my old games, I used to play Monkey Quest, but I forgot my account. So, yeah, I like JoJo Free Champ. Jump. Okay, let's see. Where's Glory Jumper?
Long ago, Ook was ruled by the brave Monkey King. With 5 companions, he set off on a quest for adventure. What they found instead was a terrible evil. The shadow demon Ka descended on Ook, hunting his dogs on the world.
Well, I think that's it. Well, so yeah, I only have quick videos. It's just I have no time. I do them late night. So, yeah, that's why I'm really sorry. I know you might wish that I have longer videos. because I like when I do longer because I like making videos, and I'm soon gonna make an intro, but like in a few months. And also, I'm gonna do Skylander soon. Start with Skylander Spiral Adventure, then go in order to Swap Force, and yeah. So yeah, that's it I want to mention, and yeah, to the credits, so you won't see like the notion. Well, see you guys.